Abhaya's parents slamming West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The victim's father claims Mamata Banerjee is stopping movement in the city. Father saying that Mamata is trying to stifle people's voice. Why is Mamata doing duplicity here? Is Mamata afraid of the people? This is the victim's father who's spoken clearly, claiming that protesters who want to protest aren't receiving permission. This is the duplicity of Mamata Banerjee. Why is she afraid of the people? Let's hear it, what exactly he said. In fact, the parents are still uncertain whether investigation is going in the right direction. Certainly a bit of a breather for them that CBI has taken over the case. They feel that the perpetrators will be brought to book. They feel there's more than one rapist, more than one person involved in the crime. So a lot to be done as per the parents, and they are encouraging protesters to come out in the streets and protest. But since the West Bengal government isn't giving permission enough, fearing derailment of law and order, here's what the father says.
कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिला है अभी तक। इसकी जो इंक्वायरी चल रहा है इसका कोई रिजल्ट नहीं अभी तक मिला है। इसके लिए आशा करने के बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं। एकदम हम लोग डिपार्टमेंट का कोई नहीं और कॉलेज का कोई हमारा साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं किया। पहले से तो हम ये बोल रहा है, यही तो दिक्कत है हम लोगों का, जो डिपार्टमेंट पूरा इसलिए इन्वॉल्व है इसमें।
প্রথমে পুলিশ বলেনি, প্রথমে হসপিটাল থেকেই ফোন করা হয়েছিল যে আমরা আরজিকর হসপিটাল থেকে বলছি আপনার মেয়ে অসুস্থ। তো তখন এটুকু বলে লাইন কেটে দিয়েছেন। তারপর তখন আমি ফোন করি যে আমার মেয়ের কি হয়েছে, আমার মেয়ের কি হয়েছে। তো উনি বলেন আমি তো ডক্টর নই, ডক্টরের কাছে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, ডক্টরই বলবেন কি হয়েছে, আপনারা আসুন। তখন আমরা এসে আমাদের ড্রাইভারকে নিয়ে যখন যাচ্ছি তখন উনি বললেন, আবার ফোন করলাম, তখন উনি বললেন আপনারা কি আসছেন। আমি মানে উনি কে ছিলেন, আমি অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সুপার বলছি, আপনার মেয়ে সুইসাইড করেছে। বৃহস্পতিবার ডিউটি গেছে, শুক্রবার মানে 10:53 তখন ফোন আসে প্রথম। প্যান্ট ট্যান্ট গুলো সব খোলা ফেলা ছিল, গায়ে শুধু একটা জামা ছিল, চাদর দিয়ে মোড়ানো ছিল, হাতটা এরকম ভাঙা ছিল, এখানে চোখ দিয়ে রক্ত পড়ছিল, মুখ দিয়ে রক্ত পড়ছিল। আমি বলেছি আমার মেয়ের এই অবস্থা দেখে কেউ বলবে না সুইসাইড করেছে, মানে তাকে দেখলেই বোঝা যাচ্ছে কেউ তাকে খুন করে ফেলেছে। তখন তো আমি বলেছি আমার মেয়েটাকে অনেক কষ্ট করে ডাক্তার বানিয়েছিলাম, এরা আমার মেয়েকে খুন করে ফেলেছে।
Now we're cutting to Ritik joining us more on that. Ritik, do elaborate. The parents of Abhaya have spoken. Father says that Mamata Banerjee government is showing duplicity here. They are not allowing for voices to come out and protest. Why do you think he said that?
Definitely, it's very shocking to hear the experiences what this parent had gone through during that night when they received the information of demise of their only child. And mother and both the mother and father, both the parents narrated the ordeals they had gone through during that time. But a lot of questions are being raised from about the role of the authority, because there are questions being asked why precisely the mother of the victim doctor said that someone from the hospital authority claiming himself as the assistant super claimed that her daughter committed suicide. Why such misleading information was shared to the family? Remember, it's a very horrifying case, and police and the probing team, particularly CBI, should investigate that matter. So perhaps this is one of the reason there are a lot of questions are being asked against on the role of the authority. Remember, this authority is not beyond any questions, because even before we did see, be it the principal or the superintendent and the authority, had gone through several questions by the students or the junior doctors in last couple of years. Their role is not beyond beyond questions. So a lot of anger are mounting against them as well, and we are given to understand from the probing agency that they are also investigating all kind of suspects, possibly why they are trying to ascertain what are the sequences of this crime, be it the grilling of the accused person who has been already arrested, other people who saw the girl for the last time, who had dinner, her fellow colleague had dinner together at that time after watching the Olympic match of javelin. So a lot of things are being investigated now, and also the CBI specialized team have already landed in Kolkata. We can only see that as time goes, these parents and the entire city or rest of the country is eagerly waiting, demanding very quick, justice for the victim at this point.
We're praying for the same, but Ritik, do please stay with us. We're going to keep coming back to you as the probe intensifies, gaining momentum in Kolkata rape and horror case. CFSL teams from Delhi currently conducting psychological tests on the main accused, Sanjay Roy, to better understand his criminal behavior and his mindset, if there's more that he could be hiding, or more importantly, was he the man itself? Meanwhile, the demand for justice to Abhaya is growing stronger each day. Doctors across the nation on the streets protesting against the brutal rape and murder of the 31-year-old trainee doctor in Kolkata hospital. And of course, demanding for a complete overhaul of the laws that govern safety and protection of doctors in the country. In response, the central government has now issued strict directives to state police, requiring them to submit situation reports every 2 hours, closely to monitor law and order, ensuring all developments are promptly reported to the MHA control room. Focus is on maintaining public order during ongoing protest.
वहाँ पे एक मुख्यमंत्री महिला है और वो स्वास्थ्य सुन रहे हैं कि स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय भी उनके अंडर में, तब तो इस केस को इतनी साफ सुथरी सामने आना चाहिए, प्रदर्शन की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं थी। जिस तरह से केस में हो रहा है ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। उनको परिवार के साथ उनको खड़ा होना चाहिए, परिवार को विश्वास दिलाना चाहिए कि नहीं, हम यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हैं, आपको इंसाफ मिलेगा, बजाय की जो तोड़फोड़ हो रही है, जो तबदले हो रहे हैं, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। जरूरत है आप इस पे काम करिए, आप हॉस्पिटल के अंदर जो भी सबूत है उसको कलेक्ट करवाइए और बच्ची को इंसाफ मिले, इस पे काम